Hey there, now we are going to discuss about transversals of parallel lines. So the concept needs proper introduction, and we are also discuss the types of angles that are found from transversal of parallel lines. So we know what are parallel lines. Parallel lines are those lines which never meet, however they are produced on both ways. So this we can say is a parallel line, right? So I enlarged this diagram a little bit, and then you will understand what I'm trying to say. So now various angles are formed here. I've notified these angles as 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8. So various angles are formed. Transversals, they are lines which cut parallel lines at 2 points, if there are two parallel lines. At a single and unique point, they cut the parallel lines. Okay, so these are the points here which where the transversal cuts. So this is the transversal. And what are the various angles that are formed? And I'll write them one by one and you take a note of that. So the first is obviously 1, 5, 2, 6. So 1, 5, 2, 6, right? 4, 8, and 3, 7. They are known as corresponding angles. So these corresponding angles are always equal to each other, which means we can say 1 is equal to 5, 2 is equal to 6, 4 is equal to 8, 3 is equal to 7. Similarly, 3, 5, and 4, 6, they are the alternate interior angles. So we can say alternate interior angles. They are also always equal. So alternate interior angles are always equal, right? Here, next is 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 7, 6, 8. So I write it down 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 6, 8. These are known as vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are also always equal, which means we can say 1 is equal to 3, 2 angle is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 7, and 6 is equal to 8. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. And the fourth is the interior opposite angles. So which are the interior opposite angles? 4, 5, and 3, 6. So 4, 5, and 3, 6, they are known as interior opposite angles. So the sum of interior opposite angles is always 180 degrees. So we can say 4 plus 5, we notify this by angles. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 3 plus angle 6 is also equal to always 180 degree. So these are the four main kinds of angles which are formed when a transversal cuts two parallel lines. Okay, and these are alternate interior angles. They are always equal. Vertical opposite angles, they are always equal. Corresponding angles are always equal, and some of the interior opposite angles are always 180 degree. In other words, we can call them as supplementary angles. There are other supplementary pairs as well in this figure. If you see it, notice it. 1, 2 is a supplementary pair, 3, 4 is a supplementary pair, 5, 6 is a supplementary pair, and 7, 8 is a supplementary pair, which means I can say that some of these two angles within a bracket, the sum of these angles is always equal to 180 degree, right? So these are the main kinds of angles which are formed from transversal lines, and angles formed by transversal lines when it cuts two parallel lines. More such in my next lesson. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Thank you.